To begin, I'm using a foam board from Dollar Tree. I'm using my crock pot as a stencil to cut out a circle. I'm going to use my X-Acto blade to cut out my circle. If you have an X-Acto blade or utility knife, I recommend using that. I want my circle to look like shiplap, so I'm going to use the width of 2 paint sticks to measure out my lines. To get this shiplap look, I'm going to use my X-Acto blade and I'm going to gently cut into the lines. I made a bow for my wreath from Dollar Tree fabric. It was kind of flat, so I'm using some polyfill to fluff it up a bit. For the flowers on my wreath, I use sunflowers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut them off of the stems and cut them on the bottom as flat as I can get them. I'm also going to cut off the leaves and glue them onto the bottom of the flower. My hello is just cardstock and I used my vinyl machine to cut it out. You can substitute this with freehand, or you can use stickers from the Dollar Tree, or you can print out a template. This part is optional. You can either glue down your bow and your flowers, or Dollar Tree does sell Velcro, and instead of gluing down, you can glue the Velcro onto your wreath and your flower and your bows. And this is a great idea for people who don't have a lot of storage space. Instead of having different wreaths for different seasons and holidays, you can just change up the bow and the flowers on your wreath. You can also do this with hello or your words. Just instead of gluing it down, again, just apply some Velcro. To finish my wreath up, I'm going to use some twine from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it onto the back to make a hanger for my wreath. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.